Hello moms, so on today's video I'm going to share with you my self-care routine to reduce stress, because we all know motherhood isn't easy, but we need to take care of ourselves so we can take care of others. So we're gonna start with washing my face. So I'm just wetting my face and I'm using my Nova face brush with my Cetaphil face wash, hydration face wash here. So I make sure I wash my entire face and neck. Once I'm done rinsing off my face with a lukewarm water, I just pat it dry, just like so, and I'm going to go ahead and remove my jewelry because we're gonna get ready to take a bath. And because I'm going to soak in a little bit in the bath, I just figured just why not do a little mask. So I'm just gonna use this clarifying matte mask for my T-zone. And I'm also going to use a nose strip today because I have a lot of blackheads on my nose that needs to be taken care of. We are now in my kids' bathtub. That's why you see the kids item right here. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this Dr. Teal relax and relief foaming bath, and I'm also gonna use some salt. Jumping into my bath now. How satisfying is the water, you guys? Hearing the water like that, it's like a real ASMR satisfaction. Anyways, so once I'm in my bath, I just like to relax. I don't want to read anything or watch anything. I just want to listen to some self-help, podcasts, or sometimes I listen to some self-help YouTube, but that's what I do, and I just close my eyes and relax for a bit. Any of you mamas love the satisfaction of removing your nose strip? Anyways, once that's done, I'm going to jump into the shower, but because I cannot bring you in with me, I'll show you the things I'll use in the shower. So a hydrating shampoo, and I've been using this L'Oreal Elvive Wonder Water. It's awesome. And then I'm going to shave my legs, and then I'm going to wash my face again with this Cetaphil, and also wash my body with it. Once out of the shower, I'm going to use my micellar water as my toner because my skin needs a little bit of TLC, a little bit of extra hydration tonight. I'm using my Shiseido flat cotton, but you can use any cotton that doesn't have any grips on it. Next, we're gonna move on to serum for under my eyes and the wrinkle on my forehead. Next, we're gonna move on to eye cream. Yes, I put a eye serum earlier, but I'm gonna move on to eye cream because my eyes need some extra boost of hydration as well. So of course I waited for the serum to dry a little bit, and then I applied the eye cream. Now we're gonna move on to spot treatment. I've been loving this line from Shae Moisture. As you can see, it's the second time I'm using this line today. This is just the spot treatment for my acne scarring, and I'm gonna change my Nova head into this head right here to activate the serum. It works wonders for those, and it's almost like a Jade roller, but it's, you know, it works extra for you since it's electric. And speaking of Jade roller, I'm using the small side of my Jade roller under my eyes since it's small enough for that area, and also it's gentle enough for that area, and also it's cold, so I like to do this on my extra self-care time. Next, we're gonna go ahead and exfoliate the lips, and then we're gonna finish up with a moisturizing lip balm. And it's alright if you accidentally lick it since it tastes good. Anyways, so now I'm putting my lip balm on, and then I'm gonna finish up with a very good moisturizer all over my face. And then it's time to go to sleep, moms. Yes, sleep is very important as mom as well. You gotta take advantage of it once the babies are asleep and we are finished with our self-care. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's videos, mom. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.